In this guide, we're going over how you can find the Great Mage NPC here on Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to teleport over to Easter Island using any of the teleporters in the game. Once you do spawn in, you need to head over to where these Easter Bunny NPCs are. Once you're kind of exactly where these Easter Bunny NPCs are, what you can do is just make your way directly up on top of this hill, and this is going to be the NPC that you can get the Great Mage from. Now, obviously, it's going to have a bunch of materials that you're going to have to farm first before you can even get the Great Mage, and in order to get these, you need to go ahead and take out the Great Mage boss, which of course you head to the Great Mage Summoner boss and NPC to spawn it in. When you interact with this, you're going to notice that you need to spend Easter keys in order to get this, either 1 up to 4. To get those keys, you need to make your way over to these bunny NPCs right here and farm these bunny NPCs to get Easter eggs and Easter keys. As you can see, we just got some Easter keys right there. But a way to speed up the key process is by actually just making your way over to the bunny NPC way back here, who's currently falling apart. But essentially, once you talk to this bunny NPC, you can go ahead and convert your eggs into keys after completing the 7 hidden egg quest. There is a lot of stuff here on this island. It might not seem like a lot of stuff, but there actually is a lot going on. And that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.